Best deals.
1. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chopping board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless and convenient. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Designed for effortless operation. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Stainless steel container. Exclusive belly-shaped design. A stylish and ergonomic belly shape adds both elegance and ease of handling. Premium matte polish finish. Matte finish gives a modern and sophisticated look, perfect for contemporary kitchens. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Lunch box for kids. Premium food-grade stainless steel, crafted from high-quality, BPA-free stainless steel. This heart-shaped lunchbox ensures safe and hygienic food storage, making it an ideal choice for daily use. Built for long-lasting use, designed for durability, the sturdy stainless steel construction resists rust, corrosion. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Milk pot. Designed for direct stovetop use to boil or heat contents, while also safe for refrigeration, eliminates the need for multiple containers and reduces dishwashing. Specially contoured edge ensures smooth, clean pouring without spills or drips, making it ideal for liquids like tea, rasam, buttermilk, and soups. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Butter container. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this container ensures the longevity and freshness of your butter by protecting it from external elements while adding an elegant touch to your kitchen. The knob on the lid enhances the container's visual appeal and makes it practical for easy lifting. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Puttu Kudam Maker. The flat bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, cooking the puttu evenly, and preventing overcooking or uneven texture, so you get perfectly steamed puttu every time. The wide mouth of the pot simplifies cleaning, allowing you to easily reach every corner and remove food residue. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Storage capsule. Airtight seal, protects contents from moisture, dust, and insects, extending the shelf life of dry food items. Space-efficient capsule shape. Designed for optimal storage, the capsule shape maximizes space utilization in cabinets and countertops. Ideal for storing grains, pulses, spices, snacks, tea, coffee, and other kitchen essentials. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Lunchbox. A durable stainless steel stand holds the containers firmly in place, preventing movement or accidental spills, making it perfect for office, school, or outdoor travel. With its vacuum-insulated technology, the stiffened set maintains food temperature, allowing you to enjoy hot, home-cooked meals without the need for reheating. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Tin. Blends classic Indian aesthetics with practical features, offering timeless style and everyday functionality. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel with a sleek mirror finish for durability, rust resistance, and elegant appeal. Lightweight yet sturdy build, offers strong, reliable storage while remaining easy to handle. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Idli Maker. The innovative square shape enhances steaming efficiency, providing even heat distribution for perfectly cooked idlis and dokla every time. Includes 5 idli plates for making soft, fluffy idlis and a sturdy lifter to handle hot trays safely, preventing accidental burns. The sleek stainless steel surface resists stains and odors. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chopping board. Ideal for cutting vegetables, fruits, making sandwiches, kneading dough, and other kitchen tasks. This countertop provides a durable and practical surface for various preparations. Built to withstand high temperatures, it's perfect for hot pots, pans, or dishes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Container. The square shape allows for efficient space utilization and easy stacking, helping you organize your kitchen and save valuable shelf or counter space, perfect for storing dry goods, snacks, pasta, rice, flour, or even leftovers, and suitable for non-food items like kitchen tools and craft supplies. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Milk boiler. Features advanced double-wall insulation for faster heating, enhanced heat retention, and a cool-to-the-touch exterior. Equipped with 2 heat-resistant Bakelite handles for a comfortable, secure, and safe grip, preventing burns and providing easy handling while pouring. Engineered with a spill-proof spout. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Puttu Maker. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter and maximizing space. Made from high-grade stainless steel that's rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting use. Provides safe handling, even when steaming multiple dishes, to prevent burns or discomfort. Offers a modern, easy-to-clean surface that maintains a polished look. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Canister. Features a transparent lid for effortless visibility, allowing you to identify contents quickly without opening, perfect for fast-paced kitchens. Designed to keep contents sealed and fresh for longer, preserving the flavor and quality of stored ingredients. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Capsule. With a polished, modern design, this container adds elegance to your kitchen while being easy to clean and maintain. Stylish and easy to clean, with a polished, modern design, this container adds elegance to your kitchen while being easy to clean and maintain. Ideal for storing dry foods, spices, snacks, leftovers, and non-food items. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Mini Idli Maker. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal. Includes sets for making large thatte idlis, mini idlis, and steaming vegetables, dokla, or momas, equipped with cool-to-touch handles for safe and comfortable lifting. Compatible with both gas and induction stoves. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Lunch Box. Advanced locking clips ensure a tight seal, preventing spills and leaks, keeping food fresh and intact throughout the day. The smooth stainless steel surface resists stains and odors, making cleaning effortless and ensuring hygiene with every use. The sleek, lightweight design makes it ideal for school lunches, travel, or office meals while fitting easily into bags and backpacks. Product link is given in the 19th link.